Welcome to British Desire. I am your professor, and in this tutorial we are going to see presentation video on Google TaskMate for Android. Point 1. What is TaskMate? TaskMate, beta, is limited to selected testers at the moment. It helps you to find tasks nearby, complete a task to begin earning, cash out your earnings in your local currency. TaskMate is a beta app made by Google that provides access to a variety of simple tasks, posted by businesses around the world. For example, take a photo of a nearby restaurant, answer survey questions about your preferences, or help translate sentences from English to your local language. You can participate in tasks that you are interested in, or choose to skip tasks. Tasks can be completed at any time, from anywhere. You will be paid in local currency for the tasks that you complete accurately, and you will need an account with a third-party payments processor. When you're ready to cash out, simply register your e-wallet or account with a Google payment partner in our app. Then visit your profile page and hit the Cash Out button. You can then withdraw your earnings in your local currency. Point 2. How do I join TaskMate? To apply for the Google TaskMate application registration, you have to follow some simple steps mentioned below. Download the application from Google Play Store and start the application with your email ID and select your language. Point 3. How does Google TaskMate earn money? Once you open the app, on your dashboard you can see the task. You have to complete the task. The task includes some pictures and some questions related to your selected topic. You have to answer. On each successful answer, Google will add money to your wallet. Later you can redeem those points, rewards to your bank account. Thank you for watching presentation video on Google TaskMate, created by British Desire eLearning. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. For any business inquiries related to product promotion, feel free to contact us at www.britishdesire.com. If you want to have a one-on-one free consultation, please visit www.britishdesire.com/elearning and register.